Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails and I have a question for you. Do you like pina colada and long walks in the rain? Fantastic. Today we're going to make an old fashioned. The old fashioned was actually invented in Ireland by an Irishman named Ronan Byrne. The origin of the story goes, Ronan had a very old fashioned friend named Liam who met a girl named Jenny in an establishment called Copperface Jack's on New Year's Eve. Liam was working up the courage to shift her. Now, I have heard that the internet can actually travel past Ireland, so for anyone who doesn't know what shift is, it is not the picking up and moving of an object. It is to French kiss somebody, snog, wear the face of, make out, mac on, all of those things, shifting. So, Liam had not yet shifted Jenny because he's so old fashioned. So this was the fourth date and Liam needed some pre-night out courage, so he was going to have some drinks. The problem was, Liam has a very weak palate and his favourite drink was the wine cooler, or Alcopop as it's known. Blue Wicket, WKD. Absolutely loved the stuff. It's all he drinks. All we had in the house was bourbon whiskey, which I'm going to use here. Ronan helped Liam out. Because there was no Alcopops for Liam, Ronan said, I'm going to go to the kitchen, get whatever ingredients I have, make you a nice sweet drink and get you that courage you need. So, we are going to make the old fashioned. First, I'm going to fill this cup with ice. If it goes in. Not this one, it's too big. And I'm going to add a shot of bourbon whiskey. Just use our jigger here. Full shot of bourbon whiskey. I'm using Jim Beam. Then we're going to use some simple syrup. Simple syrup is a sugar water solution. Really easy to make. Equal parts sugar, equal parts water. Boil it until it goes clear. Sugar syrup. Traditionally it can be made with a sugar cube, but I don't like granules in my drink, so I always use the syrup. So we'll go with a half shot of simple syrup. Now, this is Angostura Bitters. I thought the label was incorrect on this when I bought it, so I took it off, but the label should actually be like that too. So, it requires 2 dashes of this magic stuff. And 4 dashes of the orange equivalent. Now we shall give this a nice stir. Dilute that drink, get it nice and shaken, nice and stirred rather. And we will add an orange peel to the glass. I did this off camera earlier. And we'll drop it in. Again, I don't have a strainer, so there is a straining feature on the top of this cup, so I'm just going to pour it in. And this is the old fashioned. Liam went out that night. He did shift Jenny. They subsequently got married and had a baby named Hugo. To Jenny, Liam and Hugo, the old fashioned.